Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access and permissions so nothing blocks you. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and confirm your role permits workspace creation. Next, create a new Legion space, name it clearly, and assign compute and storage quotas to match your project. Import the essentials: datasets, your code repository, and SSH keys or tokens. Do this now to avoid interruptions later, because proper provisioning prevents permission errors and wasted compute time when you begin running experiments. Once your space exists, configure the environment so your code runs reproducibly. Pick the OS image or Docker container and install required libraries with pinned versions. Then define a pipeline that sequences data preprocessing, model training, and validation, and make sure checkpoints are set to save progress. Next, schedule runs and set resource limits and auto-scaling policies so you use compute efficiently. Make sure to test a short run first, because quick validation catches dependency or configuration issues early. To finish, validate outputs by checking logs, metrics, and save checkpoints. Compare results to baseline expectations and tag the successful run. Then export artifacts, models, environment specs, and logs so others can reproduce the work and archive the workspace if needed. Monitor ongoing jobs and set alerts for failures or cost spikes. If something goes wrong, first verify quota and network connectivity, then check dependency versions and logs for stack traces. Resolving those typically fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.